Bullish Mobox cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $2 and $3.79 by 2030. Market investigators accept Mbox could reach $1.56 by 2025. Bearish Mobox market cost expectation for 2023 is 35 cents. Mobox presentation. As cryptographic forms of money became standard, their applications have additionally moved past method for installment. One such application is the somewhat new non-fungible token. NFTs are novel computerized resources that only one individual can claim. In any case, what precisely do NFTs mean for the crypto world, and how have they changed the game in the recently arising metaverses? Enter the Mobox coin. In this video, we'll go over the rudiments of Mobox and let you know all that you want to be aware of the coin's anticipated cost, so you can choose whether to purchase Mobox. Thus, continue to peruse for the total Mobox value expectation and contributing it. What is Mobox? The Mobox coin isn't exactly a customary coin on the crypto market in essence, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Rather, it's a local utility token. In that capacity, the assessed cost expectation contrasted with the cost expectation for other average digital currencies. The task that Mobox coin was worked for to act as a utility token is the Mobox convention. The Mobox convention is a yield-cultivating crypto project that produces coins for the MOM and internet gaming metaverse. What is a yield-cultivating venture? Yield-cultivating is a method for benefiting by loaning digital money and benefiting through revenue. In spite of the fact that yield cultivating isn't really a wise interest temporarily, it might get a decent return several years' time given that the cash has a consistent cost increment. Yield cultivating projects are otherwise called DeFi, or decentralized finance projects. That is on the grounds that clients loan or get coins on a decentralized exchanging stage. Whether a yield cultivating project is a productive speculation relies generally upon the sort of digital money being exchanged as well as the cost gauge. Mobox Central Examination. At first sent off in April 2021, Mobox is a token for exchanging gaming NFTs. As such, it's a method for procuring and exchange coins as you mess around on the Mobox site. Mobox is gathered and controlled through in-game resources. Notwithstanding, not at all like most NFTs which are based on the Ethereum blockchain. Mobox is based on the Binance Brilliant chain. The typical gauge cost, greatest cost estimate, and Mobox cost increment are hence on a very basic level connected to the Binance blockchain. This likewise pursues Mobox a harmless to the ecosystem cryptographic money decision, making it carbon nonpartisan. Mobox current cost. Mobox is right now worth 44 cents USD. Mbox has moved 2.06% as of now with an exchanging volume of $5,809,063. Mobox is right now positioned 273 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $78,012,028 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling disparity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Mobox to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Mobox market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Mobox Value Forecast 2023. Mobox, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The Mbox cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to 66 cents. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging 62 cents in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is doable soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Mbox is supposed to have a base worth of 53 cents. Mobox Value Expectation 2024. In 2024, Mobox Mbox cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Mbox will before long outperform $1.11. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the Mbox's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Mbox will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 89 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 97 cents. Mobox Value Forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $1.56 and Mbox might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Mbox is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.42 and a low of $1.34 in 2025. Mobox Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Mobox effectively supports market opinion among digital money fans, The MBOX coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, MBOX will be green in 2026. The MBOX is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $2, with a base cost of $1.78 and a typical cost of $1.87. Mobox value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the MBOX cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $2.32 by 2027, with a base cost of $2.23 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, MBOX has a greatest value worth of $2.45. Mobox value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2.76. In the event that MBOX figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $2.89. Neglecting to assemble the help MBOX needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $2.67. Mobox value expectation 2029. While MBOX is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $3.12 and a yearly cost close above $3.34 in 2029. Mobox value forecast 2030. By 2030, Mobox will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $3.56 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $3.79, averaging out at $3.65. Mobox value expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme MBOX cost in 2031 is projected to be $4.36 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $4.19. And NFTs are as yet a somewhat new innovation. In this manner, it is challenging to know their general effect on the crypto market and as long-haul monetary ventures. In spite of this vulnerability, exchanging Mobox is right now a fair market venture. Until further notice, one can anticipate that Mobox should acquire financial backers and ubiquity in the future once metaverses become well known from here on out. In this way, watch out on the lookout for Mobox, a remarkable new NFT-based utility token. What is the Mobox cost today? Today, Mobox is exchanging at 44 cents with an all-out market capitalization of $78,012,028. Is Mobox a wise venture? Mobox ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In view of this, it is savvy to say that MBOX is a decent decision of speculation. How high might Mobox at any point go? The typical cost of Mobox might perhaps reach 62 cents